In the DCF file, save all the revisions of the document without having to duplicate it. After a first draft, suppose you have to evaluate a different solution. Simply add a revision by giving it a name, and a description too. Once you have saved the revision, you can continue to modify the document. Until you get a second design hypothesis, which also become part of the revision's history. Edit the document again with further data, etc. And save also the third project hypothesis in the revision history. At any time, by accessing the toolbox, you can reopen an old revision. Restore a revision, by replacing the current document, or delete it. And compare different revisions. The program highlights the differences between the two documents and allows you to edit the current document by choosing which data to keep and which to discard. Thanks to the Revisions History tool, you can save the entire evolution of a project and track down changes quickly without having to manage multiple copies of the same document.